Okay, just had a delivery. Yeah, about 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Been waiting all day for this one, but yeah, it's here. So let's get this open. I think you all know what this is. It's a new car. This is my, well, I'm not going to tell you what it is before I open it, guys. So let me get myself a little knife and let's get this open. Okay, as you can see, got myself a Bisma. Little Buggy, 1/10 scale. This is the Bisma AB 3.4, guys. Let's get that up in the light. Okay, this is the 3.4. This is the new one. Not much difference from the old one. I think just the way the body's painted and stuff like that. It is a kit as well. So yeah, let's see if we can open this up and have a quick look inside. See what we got in the box. Okay, so we've got some shot clips, stickers, manual. That's the new body there, guys. Nice. I have to say, I do like this body over the old one. This looks a lot better from the ones I've seen. Nice, nice. And of course, wheels and tyres. I think they've got foaming. If they have, they've got thin foaming, but it does feel like there's some foams in there. Definitely, yep. And then a load of parts, guys. Spoiler. It's a nice kind of flexi plastic. I like that. It's a nice flexi bit of plastic. That's good. Okay, the ties, diffs. Yep. And of course, just a load of bits and pieces, guys. Chassis. Feels quite firm, actually, to be honest with you. Not too bad. Shock post. Well, I'm gonna unbox all this, guys. I'm gonna lay it all out and let you guys have a look at all the parts and see if we find any empty bags in here and see if they basically provided me with everything that should be in here. And maybe you guys might spot something different to the old one, or it might all be the same. It's a bag of screws here, so we'll get them out too and see if all the screws are in there. Yep, okay, let's do that. Okay guys, so I've got everything laid out for you. Got your manual here, some suspension clips, stickers, the normal stuff, and the manual. I don't think I need to open that right now. And I've laid out all the parts. Good news is all the bags have bits in. So for all you that have had the AB 2.4 and had missing parts, missing bags, well, I can't tell you yet if any bags are missing, but I can tell you every bag I've got here has screws, well, I should say parts in. I've got the screw bag here, so I've still to open that and see if all the screws are in all the bags, but hopefully they've got their game together and all the screws are there. Okay, so ordered my Abzima 3.4, and I know a lot of people been having problems with missing screws, bolts and so forth. So when I ordered the car, I ordered the full complete screw set. So I'm just going to give you a look at what comes with that. Let's get it all out. Okay, so as you can see, this is what comes with the complete screw set. And there's this packet here, and these two are clipped to the packet as well. So this is what you get, guys. And as you can see, all the different screws. Let's open that up. Okay, so grub screws and so forth. I'm just gonna take out all the screws and just lay them out, let you guys see if there's any empty packets in this complete screw set. This is what we got. Turn that all the way around. There you go. Sorry, I just got YouTube on in the background, guys, as you do. And that's the complete set, complete screw set you get, guys. So yeah, let's get this car put together. Stay tuned. So as you can see, everything's laid out there for you. Same again with this one, built diffs, everything's all put together, steering linkages, all that's all built, put together. And what I do have, what a lot of people said they didn't have, is the servo horn. As you can see there, I've got the servo horn in there as well, so that's good. Shocks, chassis, everything's good. I'm not sure about this spoiler. I think the material's different to the old one, but definitely feels flexible. That'll last a while. As you can see, bush bearings. So yeah, I've got bearings to change them. Not going to be putting them in the car. Metal dog bones, plastic, lower arms. I've got 2 lots of pinions. I'm assuming one is for the plastic spur for brushed, and then I've got another set of metal spur gear and pinion for brushless. That's what I'll be using, and everything else is what it is, guys, and I'll film it bit by bit as I'm going along. I'm not going to do an in-depth video. I'm just going to switch on every now and again and show you the bits and pieces as I've put them together, and any problems I come across I'll let you guys know. So stay tuned, and what I'll do now as well is I'm gonna switch over to letting you see what extras I've got and what setup I'm going to be putting into all of this. I've got all the electrics and spare bits and pieces from a HSP, which are similar parts, so I'm going to use some of them as well on this while I'm building it. So I'll let you guys see what I've got to do and what I've got electric wise to go in all this. So this is my Abzima AB 3.4 kit build. Stay tuned. This is the first one on YouTube. Nobody else ain't done a video on the AB 3.4. So this is the first one, guys. You're seeing it right here. Birmingham GT RCs representing. Like and subscribe. Okay, guys. So as you can see, laid out in front of me is basically some parts I'm going to be fitting into my Abzima 3.4, AB 3.4. As you can see, there's the motor I'm going to be using, which is 4,300 4-pole 3S kV motor, a 60 amp Octane ESC 2 to 3S, Savox servo horn, receiver. That'll be the controller, as you all know I'll be using. I've got a 2 and 3S battery to run with it. I've got some shocks I've dug out and done the shock oils. I've got a lighter shock oil for the rears and a thicker shock oil for the fronts. I've got a fan, and I ordered myself, as you know, a full set of screws, spare screws, so if anything's missing in the packaging, hopefully it'll be in here. And off my HSP, the old parts and stuff like that, which they may fit onto the Abzima. So I've got the spoiler mount and suspension post and that. I've got some arms. These were the wrong arms I ordered. These were for the, I think, the stadium truck or truggy version. So it was the wrong arms, but maybe they'll work. Maybe I can make them work. I don't know yet. Some links, steering links I ordered for the HSP, which I didn't use. I only ended up using that one, which I might do the same again. Rubber seal bearings, normal bearings, new bearings, hexes, and I've got a load of universal dog bones. And also, because a lot of people have been talking about the steering's not so good on the Abzima, so I've got the old steering, because I put metal steering onto my HSP. So I've got the old steering, as you can see there, the front hubs and everything, the front assembly, all brand new, because I changed them out literally almost straight away. So maybe if I can fit, because it seems like almost the same layout the Abzima does to the HSP, so maybe I can fit this steering up and get better steering can only try, guys. As it's a kit car, I'll be building it all from scratch, so I can try these parts out and see if it improves it or not. And I'll just be fitting up some of these parts and seeing what I can and can't fit. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to get on with it. Got a lot to do. Stay tuned.